Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix obtaining Wi-Fi address and not connect to Wi-Fi connection when your internet connection is properly work and your router is also be properly work, but on your Android mobile phone the Wi-Fi show is that obtaining Wi-Fi address and not connect to your Wi-Fi with your router. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, first of all, going to your settings of your Android mobile phone and go to your connection sections. Now after that, open up Wi-Fi. Now you can see that at this time I connected successfully connected advocate connection names. So sometime your internet connection is properly work and your also modem is properly work, but sometime it's show that obtaining Wi-Fi address. So then if you are facing this type of issue, then hold on. Now you can see that three options appear, and the last option it is that manage network settings. So click on it. After that you can show two options and click on show advanced options. After that, now you can see that IP settings. Now it's click on it and change to statistics. So click on it. Now you can see that our first option is the IP address 192.168.0.102. Now you can change the IP address. The last digit is changed like 192.6, and change the last digits like 1022 to 103, and you can set any value between 1 to 254. So I set up 103, and after that click on a save option. So click on a save. Now after doing that, your now you can see that unfortunately because I am mirroring the screen, then okay, I mirroring screen, that's why when I reconnect the Wi-Fi connection, then mirroring is disabled. So now you can see that my connection is once again is connected, and once I open it, manage network settings, now you can see that the IP address is 103 is saved, and you can also that see that the connection is connected. So this is a way to fix this type of error. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.